We will answer this one. Find the equation of a line that passes through. X is 3, y is negative 1, the slope is 2/3. So we will use the formula of m equals y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So yung slope natin dito or yung m is 2/3 equals y minus y sub 1 natin is negative 1. Okay? Over x minus x sub 1 is 3. So 2/3, simplify muna natin yan. So y, so negative times negative 1, so that is positive 1 over x minus 3. So i-cross multiply na natin. So 2 times multiply natin dito kay x minus 3 equals, si 3 naman, multiply naman natin kay y plus 1. Okay, and then i-distribute natin 2 times x, so that is 2x. Then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 equals, yan, distribute din natin yan, so that is 3y. Then 3 times 1 is plus 3. So 2x, si 3y, i-transpose natin sa left side, so magiging negative 3y equals 3. And then si negative 6, transpose natin sa right, magiging plus 6. So therefore, 2x minus 3y equals 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.